Young man was playing a left-handed guitar upside down in front of BP. Oh, it was a right-handed guitar, Kate Hendrickson. And he's playing, and he had like eye makeup on, and I think he has the nails. My cousin said, "You need to see my cousin Dave immediately." So he's been in my academy now. He's taking private lessons. I've got a lot of love for Jonathan. You never know what you're going to get. It could be Michael Jackson or Kiss. David Woods, I know you just got food. We're getting set up. We'll do our first rock pop quiz of the night. There's a band from Birmingham. Sounds like a song, a band from Birmingham. And the guitar player, on his last day of work, cut off the tips of his fingers. What band's that? Black Sabbath. Tony Iommi. Band one, proud nothing. Thank you, sir. Typically, Donnie's available for photos and lap dances, but he has to go pick up his son, so he won't be doing that tonight.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Darn, I was in line.
Okay, next pop quiz. Name 4 bands the Paul Rogers sang with. Free, Bad Company. What was one? Radioactive.
That's not on.
Yeah. He sang the Queen. That's one of our people. He did all the time, all those years he was holding out. Dave's tuning 70s funk. Name the song. That's good tonight. Boy, crowd. The band is kicking the crowd's ass today. Name this one. Jonathan's got every one of them so far. This is a classic example of wasted youth. It's okay, John. I'm a classic underachiever. Remember when they used to tell you about your permanent record card? This is going to go on your permanent record card. And there was no such thing, but there is now. Yes, Instagram. Remember, whatever you put on there, you ain't never going to get away with. Someday you're going to go for a job interview.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
How about Big Bob on that one? Man, that's Jonathan. How about David Woods jumping up? If I was his age starting a band, he would be my first choice.
I have not gotten this.
Purple Haze. Okay, speaking of Hendrix. Okay, who insisted he didn't play there, but as a recommendation, who vehemently suggested Jimi Hendrix for the Isle of Wight concert? I'll give you a multiple choice. Is it A, Paul McCartney, B, Pete Townsend, C, the NME magazine, or D, Bruno Mars?
Bruno Mars.
Nope,
That was
Paul
my
McCartney.
answer.
I think Paul McCartney wrote the best tribute to Ozzy, in my opinion. Okay.